Okay. Before starting class, let's join your hands, close your eyes. We will have our prayer. Okay. Om Bhurbhuvassaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. May God bless you all with good health and happiness. Today we are going to start a new. Okay. Good morning everyone. Till 16 students are here. Akshara, I am fine, beta. Okay. Now let's start with presenti. Let me have your presenti first. Okay. First, Mahi Agara.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Mahi Agara.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Type yes, ma'am, in the chat box. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, we have to. Ma'am, the workbook is completed. So, ma'am, today we have to do in the workbook or in the textbook.
What happened? Pari, fan band kar de. What happened, beta Nishtha?
Ma'am, today we have to do work in textbook or in the workbook.
You are not audible clearly, Nishtha. Beta, ma'am, today I have asked for workbook, so I will complete today. It's okay. Yes, beta, it's okay. Beta. Now, Nishtha, I heard that you were trying to say something. Will you please repeat? Nishtha, what do you want to speak, beta? Yes.
Ma'am, today
Any doubt?
Ma'am, today we will do in the workbook or in the textbook.
Yes, today.
Ma'am, she is asking that today we will do in workbook or textbook.
Yes, today we are going to start the new poem, The Merchant, okay, from your textbook. I hope all of you are ready with your textbook. Is it okay? Now good. Open your textbook. We are going to start a new poem today. Before starting the poem, what do you know by the name The Merchant? What do you think? What is it about?
Ma'am, I think that work in the farm or field.
Yes? What do you think about the name, The Merchant? What do you mean by the word merchant? Merchant means what?
Ma'am, may I answer?
Yes? Any one of you can speak.
Ma'am, merchant means one who sends one parcel or something to another place.
Good. Merchant means a person who sells and buys goods, okay, like Vyapari. Okay, what we say? Merchant means Vyapari. Now, who travel in caravan? Yes. Merchants in the ancient times, now today's world is the online world. Okay, at the ancient times, people used to travel for another country. They have to go to the different lands. They need to buy the things from the locals, and then they sell it to the other part of the world. Right? If we think that Britishers were also merchants, before they established their kingdom in our country, they were entered in our country as merchants. They, ancient times, they bought our spices. Okay, they bought the gems for our country, and as a role of merchant, they bought it from us, and then they went outside of the country in different parts of the world to sell it. If we think that the travels of Marco Polo, So Marco Polo was also a son of merchant, and he was also doing the duty of merchant. If you people remember, that day I told you that merchants have their groups. They traveled in a group. If we say in our ceramic industry also, we are having different sales managers. Okay, it means they are doing the duty of merchant on behalf of the owner of the company. But what is their motto? To get the raw material in best quality raw material in less price, and they market the things, they present the things, the productions of the ceramic as a merchant in all over the world, right? So in the sense, merchant is the person who travels all over the world by online or offline, means by physically or with the help of social media. They get the good things from the world, they bought the things and they resell it. They bought and sell it by including their profit. That kind of persons are called merchants. Okay. Here this poem is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Okay. Who was Rabindranath Tagore? Rabindranath Tagore. Okay. Rabindranath Tagore, right? Who was Rabindranath Tagore? Who was Rabindranath Tagore? Who will tell me?
Ma'am, may I
Yes,
tell?
any one of you can speak. With
Ma'am, may I
God's
tell?
grace, today we are having good
Ma'am, may I?
connectivity. Yes, Nishtha. It
Rabin-
will look good if you keep your video on while speaking. Right. So
ma'am.
everyone will get interested in the class if I and other people see you speaking. Yes, Nishtha. What do you
Ma'am,
think?
Ma'am,
Rabindranath Tagore.
Rabindranath Tagore was an educator and poet, a painter, and he was the one who wrote our national anthem, and he worked to
Rabindranath Tagore was a renowned Indian poet. Okay.
Rabindranath
He
Tagore
was the
writes
educator.
national anthem.
He was the founder of Shanti Niketan, right? Akshara, your speaker is on, beta. Do you have any query, Akshara? If not, then please mute yourself because you are not audible clearly and it is getting disturbed, right? Akshara. So Rabindranath Tagore was a renowned Indian poet, educator, painter, and social reformer. He won the Nobel Prize in Literature, okay, in 1913 for his beautiful collection of verses Gitanjali. He had a deep interest in children and wrote many poems about
Ma'am, your voice is not coming. Ma'am, your voice.
See, so he was having the song was also poem. If you remember the poem, the song, okay, the parents' love for the child. It was also written by Rabindranath Tagore. This poem is from the point of view of a child. What is the introduction of the poem? What is the poem about? The poem is about a point of view of a child with a vivid imagination. The poem brings to life the fantasy world of the child. It also beautifully evokes the picture of a loving family. That what happened? You people are used to see Peppa Pig, then Home Alone, Harry Potter series, right? And all the series of cartoons. One incident happened with Pari. That day she has watched the Peppa Pig's episode where they built an igloo. Okay, and it was icing. Okay, the ground was covered with snow, and it was very pleasant scene. She has watched in the cartoon series of Peppa Pig. That day night when she slept, she got a dream regarding we went somewhere with our whole family. We built an igloo and we were having fun at the place. So it was the imagination of a child. Whatever you think, whatever you watch, it becomes the dream for you people. what our mind means. Sometimes it happens that we think a lot of about something, right? And at night we get the same dream in the next version, right? So here what happened with my daughter, she was very interested in the Igloo series of Peppa Pig. That night she saw a dream regarding we built an igloo, we spent our day, and we were very happy by playing with ice. We were doing the skis. Okay, so this was the dream, right? But she thought it was actual, and when she woke up in the morning, she asked me, where is our igloo? Where is our igloo house? Right? And then she was just trying to convince me to go to the place where we are having lot of snow. Is it possible in our place? Is it possible in Gujarat to get the snow and igloo house? No. But child's imagination can bring us to the world of fantasy. If we see the chapter, that one, the poem, The Land of Storybooks, what happened in that poem also? You people have learned it in 5th standard, The Land of Storybooks poem. How many of you remember the content? Okay, what is the poem about? The poem is about the child's imagination, right? Yes? Any one of you? Am I audible clearly to you people?
Yes,
Ma'am, I remember.
I also remember.
Yes, Nishtha.
Ma'am, it is about the child's imagination, that he imagines that he moves to an land of storybooks. He reads.
Yes, it is about the imagination of a child.
He can
Yes.
see woods, he can see trees, he can see a river where lions are drinking.
Okay, so here, now this poem is about the imagination of a child. How the child is imagining his life with mother. Okay, and the last storybook was the imagination of reading. Yes, very good. Veer Kaila has sent me very good reply. He said that he was reading books and then he imagined himself as a hunter and he experienced the drills in the sofa area and all these things. This poem is also interested. Let's see what is it about. Okay, now see first stanza. Imagine mother, but you are to stay at home. I am to travel into strange lands. Any one of you can read it? Okay, you can switch off your camera, Nishtha, and read one by one. Okay, let me ask for reading. Why I am asking you for reading? Wait, you people will be having observation of teachers, right? I will be observing you, and I have to mention the points regarding your reading, speaking, writing, and listening skill, right? So once in a week, we will have our listening text. Every time at the end of the chapter, I am asking you the listening skills questions, if you people remember. I read the listening text for you and you people are answering it. Is it true? We are having the same practice. What do you think? How many of you remember it? Wait for a while, Pari. Yes. How many of you remember it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see. So this is about the listening skill. I have to mention the point. So let me ask for the students who will read. First name Darshil Narania, Shamgami, Nishtha Ghule and Rishabh Gandhi. Okay, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dekho, Darshil, Shamgami, Nishtha Ghule, Rishabh Gandhi and Smith are first 5 in my list. So you people can start reading, starting with Darshil Narania. Darshil, start reading the first stanza. Imagine mother.
Imagine mother that you are stay at home and I am
Pen.
to
Where is my pen?
into strange
Yes,
lands.
beta Darshil. Continue.
Imagine that my boat is ready at landing to land.
Landing.
Now, well, mother, before you say what I shall bring for you when I
Yes, Darshil.
mother,
Yes, beta. Not audible, Darshil. Please repeat. properly.
Ma'am, at first line, I repeat from first line,
Okay.
first paragraph.
Okay. Now, second one. Let me read it one more time. Imagine, mother, that you are to stay at home and I am to travel into strange land. Imagine that my boat is ready at the landing, fully laden. Now, think well, mother. Now, second paragraph, who will read? It's Shamgami, I think.
Ma'am, I
Who will
am
read? Shamgami. Yes, Sham. Start reading.
Before you say that, I shall bring for you when I come back. Mother, do you want apes and the apes of
Yes.
gold? There by the banks of the gold stream,
Yes.
fields are full of the golden harvest, and in the shade of the forest path, the gold campa flowers grow on the ground. I'm done.
Done. Now next, whose turn is next? I think it's Vishna.
Yes, ma'am. Mother, I will gather them all for you in my hundred baskets. Mother, do you want pearls big as the raindrops of autumn? I shall cross to the Pearl Island shore. There in the early morning light, pearls tremble on the meadow flowers. Pearls drop on the grass, and pearls are scattered on the sand in spray by the wind sea waves.
Yes, beta. Yes. Have you finished reading?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, imagine, mother. I read the whole poem again. Yes, Nisha. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I haven't asked anything.
Ma'am, your screen is
Ma'am, I
Yes, what happened?
stuck.
Now is also stuck.
Okay. Now let me read one whole poem. Then we will start explanation with word meaning. First, imagine, mother, that you are to stay at home and I am to travel into strange lands. Imagine that my boat is ready at the landing fully laden. Now think well, mother, before you say what I shall bring for you. When I come back, mother, do you want heaps and heaps of gold? There may be there by the blanks of golden stream. Fields are full of golden harvest, and in the shade of the forest path the golden champa flowers drop on the ground. Okay, now see the next part. I will gather them all for you in many hundred baskets. Mother, do you want pearls big as the raindrops of autumn? I shall cross to the Pearl Island shore. There in the early morning light, pearls tremble on the meadow flowers. Pearls drop on the grass and pearls are scattered on the sand in spray by the wild sea waves. My brother shall have a pair of horses with wings to fly among the clouds. For father I shall bring a magic pen that without his knowing will write of itself. For you, mother, I must have the casket and jewel that cost 7 kings their kingdoms. Rabindranath Tagore. Okay. Do you know the chapter Idgah? How many of you know the chapter Eidgah of Munshi Premchand? I think it was there in 4th standard. When means some of you were in NEPS. Okay, in 4th standard Hindi chapter was there, Eidgah, Munshi Premchand ka. It was very interesting chapter because this story is relevant to the chapter, this poem. Okay, in the chapter Eidgah, there was a boy whose name was Salim, I think. Okay, he was a very poor boy, and he and his friends went to the Mela of Eid. Okay, the fun fair of Eid. There, every of his friends bought the things like toys, mithais, sweets, and all these things. But that Abdullah, I don't remember the child name. Okay, he bought. Leave it, Pari. Leave it. You are disturbing. Sit down. He bought the that one chimta. We usually use it to bake the rotis, to fry. Okay, roti सेकने के लिए उसका use होता है. So he bought that chimta for his mother. It was very emotional, motivational, and very sensible story. It is one of my favorite, but as a coincidence or time passed away, I forgot the names of the characters of the story. But the motto of the story is the love for mother, the care, respect for mother, and how the child is feeling to keep his mother secure. Here in the first stanza, let's discuss the word meanings first. Landing means what? A place where people can get into or out of the boat. Landing means port. In our local language, what we call it, port, बंदर, जहाँ पर लोग बोट से उतरते हैं और बोट में चढ़ते हैं. Second thing, laden. Laden means heavily loaded with something. Heaps means untidy collections of things that are placed on top of each other. Golden harvest, grain and other crops that are ripe and ready to be cut. Some grains turn yellow when they are ripe. Champa, one kind of flower. If you see our campus, we are having lot of champa trees. Okay, meadow, a large field with grass and wild flowers growing in it. Right of itself means it will right by itself without the father holding it. Casket means a small box usually used to store jewelry. Jewelry box means casket. Now, jewel that cost 7 kings their kingdoms means jewel that is so valuable that kings have lost their kingdom trying to own it. Okay, these are the word meanings. Now again I am telling you, today in your fair notebook you have to write few things. Okay, here. Again I am explaining you, be attentive enough. I think, is it visible properly to you people? Now is it okay? Here is your index, right? In your index page, mention
Ma'am, your video
poem, The Merchant, right? This is about index. What things you have to do today? Index, the poem, The Merchant. Now this is your notebook page. Here write the heading. Poem, The Merchant.
Ma'am, your video is stopped.
Done. Now here. Here word meaning. Word meaning. Write 1, 2, 3. Write one word its meaning and skip one line. Bhavya Sai, switch off your camera. Write one word its meaning, skip one line. Then second word its meaning and another part. Right? This is how you have to write. Today's homework. What is your today's homework? Write down homework. Write the word meaning of poem in F and B. This is your today's homework. Is it clear to every one of you? Any other query regarding homework?
Ma'am, your screen is stopped.
Yes? Not audible clearly, beta.
Ma'am, your video is
Any doubt? Yes, Yashika.
No doubt, ma'am.
Ma'am, sometimes
Ma'am, please type.
Yes, beta. You can type whatever you want to say.
Ma'am, your screen is stuck.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to write these new words in FNB.
Yes. Not audible clearly, beta.
Ma'am, can you move?
Ma'am, she is saying that we have to write
Nishtha, any problem, Nishtha?
Ma'am, can you
Ma'am, we
move?
have to write new anything.
What can?
Speak one student at a time or you can type. Mahi, Nishtha, Yashika, Smita, Amna. You can type, beta. Amna, type what is your question. Mahi, Adhara. Don't be unmute, you can type your question.
Ma'am, please side.
Now see, now is it okay? Now is it okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, please side.
Yes, you have to write new words as a homework of today in your FNB.
Ma'am, we have to write both word meanings and
Yes? Yes,
And we have to
beta.
write-
You are not audible
and we
since
have
2
to
minutes. I am
write
saying you type whatever you want to speak. No, no. Champa is the common Indian flower, beta. There is no need to write about it. Search kar iska dhakkan, search karo. Go fast. Champa is the Indian flower. There is no need to write its name.
Ma'am, your screen is stuck.
Yes, Vijay Togadia, since how many years you are studying with me? Then also you are having query की word और meaning दोनों लिखना है. Yes, विजय तोगड़िया, या आलसी होते जा रहे हो जैसे जैसे अगले क्लास में आप जा रहे हो.
Ma'am, I am not Dvija Togoria. I am Shona
What should
Swaraj.
people are not interested in English?
Ma'am,
That's why asking question like a first standard student. What do you think?
Ma'am, I
You
told
people
that
are
your
learning
screen is stuck.
English.
Ma'am, I told that your screen is stuck.
What you?
Your screen
Did I
is
ask you,
stuck.
Swara Soni? Now I am speaking with Dija Togadia. She is asking, ma'am, do we need to write word and its meaning? What is the point writing a word without its meaning in FNB? I am not happy with your FNB maintenance, each and every one of you. Be aware about it. If I find you are wrong formed FNB next time, I will cut marks. I will put 0 for the notebook mark for everyone.
Ma'am, I am telling that you have written the new words. We have to write that new words also and word meanings also. I write only word meanings, that's why.
पर द्विजा वर्ड मीनिंग मैंने लिखा है यहाँ पे वर्ड लिखा है इट इज राइट बट आई हैव एक्सप्लेन यू द मीनिंग एक्सप्लेनेशन इज डिफरेंट इफ आई राइट एक्सप्लेन वर्ड विथ एक्सप्लेनेशन देन व्हाट विल इट विल टेक लॉट ऑफ टाइम सिट डाउन यहाँ से हिलना मत अब एक जगह पे बैठी रहे इट इज द सेम कॉमन थिंग बेटा यू हैव टू सेंस इट इफ आई एम राइटिंग सी वी हैव लिमिटेड स्पेस हियर I can't widen the board because phone is having limitation. I have to write in between this part only. That's why I am trying to shorten the word. Okay, that's why I have not written the meaning here. But I have explained you the word with its meaning. And when I ask you write word meanings of poem in SNB, it means that question is clear. Now see the next part. Imagine mother. Now I am going to start the explanation. Till now, if you people are having any query, you can ask me regarding the question. Okay? Okay? Voice and screen. Give me confirmation. What do you think? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now see the first part. Imagine mother that you are to stay at home and I am to travel into strange lands. Imagine that my boat is ready at the landing, fully laden. Okay. Here fully laden means what? Heavily loaded with something. Landing and laden. Landing means port, where we like our Kandla port, then Mumbai, okay, Kolkata, Porbandar. These all are the ports where the boats are come. Like boat station means landing, port, right? So the boy is asking his mother to imagine that the boat is fully landed. The boat is fully landed with material, luggage, okay, saman. Means the boy is thinking himself as a merchant. And what is the duty, what is the work of a merchant? They have to travel on the way of sea. Why the sea traveling? Here the boy is saying boat, landing. Why? Because as you people think, road transport with heavy luggage costs a lot. Air transport with heavy luggage costs a lot. Okay, if you people, if any one of your family is from the merchant ship, right? Okay, they are having the export and import business. They prefer the watery way, okay, seaways. Why? Because seaways cost less than road and airways, right? That's why the boy, thinking himself as a merchant, he was explaining his mother, ki Mama, think that you have to stay at home. When do we want to keep someone at home? When we love them, when we are having care for them. See, at our family, we can't allow first 2 5-year children to go out without any reason. Nowadays, when I was a child or any of my elder sister or brother were child, they were having the rule. They started their school at 5 years. 1 to 5 years, they have just enjoyed their childhood, right? But nowadays, when the baby turns into 3.5, we start to search for a good school. Okay, here also, now the boy is saying, Mummy, imagine that you are at home. You have to stay at home. Means the boy is wishing to keep his mother safe from the outside world. He was trying to give all the facilities, all the faith, all the care to his mother by keeping her at home, right? And what is the wish of the boy? He wanted to travel the strange lands. Here strange means which lands? New, foreign lands, wherever he has not traveled it. The lands like foreign lands, right? Imagine that his boat is ready with laden, fully laden at the landing. Landing means port. So the boy is wishing that his business was at the success, top of the success level. His mother is having good life at home with all the facilities and comfort, right? And the boy is wishing for himself that his business is going good. That's why his boat is laden, fully laden means luggage se puri bhari hui. Okay, overloaded, right? So the boy is in the first stanza, the boy wants to keep his mother safe and comfort at home, comfortably at home with lot of facilities, and at the same time the boy is wishing himself a world, all over the world travel with boat which is having fully loaded goods, saman. Why? Because if he is having, it means that the boy is wishing that he will get a good market Okay, he will get good benefits when he decides to travel by seaways, and seaway is the cheapest way of traveling. When we use seaways, it means that it costs less than road and airways. Most of the costly way is airways, aeroplane flights, right? Then roadways, and seaways is the cheapest cost. Means in our family also, my elder and younger brother-in-law is having transport business, right? They export and import goods from foreign lands, and they prefer the seaways. Okay, cargo karte hai, right? When we transfer or when we send goods from the seaways, it is called cargo. Now see the next part. Now think well, mother, before you say what I shall bring for you when I come back. It is our Indian tradition. I am not aware about, means I have idea, but I am not sure about the foreign culture. But in our Indian culture, when someone returns back from the travel, they bring some kind of gifts or sweets to the family. Means whenever I went to my place, whenever I went to my motherland, means my maternal place, I used to buy some sweets, some gifts for the family members. This is our Indian tradition. So here the boy is also asking his mother, Mama, when you say what you will bring for me, before you ask me this question, I want to say you that what I can bring for you. Have you done something like your mother, some kind of things like the boy for your mother? How many of you have bought gift for your mother? Now on your camera, it's your turn to speak. How many of you have bought gift for your mother? I am remembering one thing. When I was a child, okay, we used to have the fun fairs in villages. My childhood spent in village. So my mother is having the hobby. She is having great interest in knitting the sweaters, that torans for the door, and one kind of woven, okay, knitting material which we used to hide the material. Okay, थाली जो भगवान की थाल धराते हो उसके ऊपर ढकने के लिए one kind of handkerchief is there. So she was having lot of interest in making such kind of artistic thing. So I bought one needle for her. Okay, it will help her, means I thought it will help her to knit a sweater for me, right? But it was not possible. After that she got ill, and all the things which I doesn't wanted to be happened with us. Okay, so what do you think, what you have brought for your mother? Keep it up, beta, and search for its cap. We are having only one pen. Search it. कहाँ रखा उसका कैप ढूंढो. Okay, what do you think? Am I audible to you people? आज तक आपने अपनी मम्मा के लिए क्या गिफ्ट लाया है? What you have brought for your mother? Any one of you? Or means if you keep silence, it means that you have not done anything special for your mother till now. Yes, it's the time to share. Jia wishes to share something. Yes, Jia. What you have brought for your mother as a gift? Yes, Jia Desai or Amna. First, let us Jia, turn on your camera.
Ma'am, I have got 2 pillows.
Neha. Yes. Very good. First, my mother forever. It's very good. Jia? Hirsarodia, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you show it one more time? If anyone has not watched, so they can watch it again. So you have brought it for your mother. When you gifted it to her? When did you gift it?
On last Mother's Day.
Let me, okay, now you can on your camera here, Sarodia, and show it to everyone. Yes. See, it is very beautiful. What is written over there? First my mother, forever my friend. Very good. Very beautiful. Here, Very nice. Now, any one of you that you have done anything special for your mother? Means sometimes my daughter used to make lemonade for me. Whenever I reach home very tired in the afternoon, Puri makes new sharbat for me. Even though she is not having the good idea of the ingredients and their share, but still she tries, and I like to drink lemonade made by her. Okay. So what special things you do for your mother?
Ma'am, I want
Yes.
Ma'am, I want chocolate muffins.
On your camera and then speak. On your camera, because people want to see your expression while you are speaking about your mother. Yes, Nishtha.
Ma'am, I once baked some chocolate muffins. I baked chocolate muffins on her last birthday.
Very good. Nishtha has baked chocolate. Darshil has also. Very good, Darshil. Keep it up. Amna?
Ma'am.
Bhavya Sai, what you have done special for your mother?
Ma'am, when she
Which special thing?
headache, I made coffee for her
Yes,
every day.
Yashika. Do you want to speak, Yashika?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, sometimes I cook food for my mother.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, sometimes I cook food for my mother.
Not audible, Yashika. Not audible, beta.
Ma'am, my voice is coming.
I made
Ma'am,
fast for my mother. Very good. Now, today, what we have done? Today we have learned the introduction. We have done the introduction of the poem Merchant with the story of Marco Polo and Eidgah story, right? Then we learned about Rabindranath Tagore. Then we have read out the word meanings. Then I have explained you how to maintain your FNB. Then I have explained you the first stanza. Imagine, mother, that you are to stay at home and I am to travel into the strange land. Okay, imagine that my boat is ready at the landing, fully laden. Okay, yes. Sometimes Yashika makes food for her mother. It's quite good. Now, here I have explained you the first stanza, right? So what is your today's homework? Today you have to write the words and their meanings in your FNB, fair notebook. Now it's time of presentee. Let me take your presentee first. Wait for a while. Let me switch off my camera as I need to put my phone for charging.
Ma'am, we
Wait
have
for
to
a while. Let
Ma'am,
me
we
take
have to
out the
type
pen
in the
to take
chat
your
box.
presentee.
Ma'am, we have to type in the
Yes,
chat.
ma'am. Mahi Aghara. No, roll number wise. Roll number 1. Mahi Aghara. Sarang Aghara is present. Type yes, ma'am. Mannat Arya. Mubin Bakhtaria. Yash Bhayani. Sham Bhimani. Soumya Bhimani. Soumya Bhimani. Soumya Bhimani. Jai Sharola. Bhavya Sai. New Dava. Jia Desai. Sham Gami. Dev Pepper. Sham Bhimani left.
present, ma'am.
Okay.
Shyamgami
Then
present.
how many of you are present? Why you people can't type yes, ma'am? Nishtha Gule, Darshil Narania.
Gandhi present,
Okay, then
Darshil Narania present,
Sham Gami. Veer
Shyamgami
Kaila.
present, ma'am.
Then Mubin Bakhtaria.
Rushav Gandhi
Vija
present, ma'am.
Togadia. New Dawa.
Ma'am, can we leave?
Ma'am, can we
Present,
leave?
ma'am. Present, ma'am. Yashika.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
left.
Ma'am. Ma'am left.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can we leave?
Yes. Yes, beta. Niyati Rayani is present.
Ma'am, Yashika Jain
Hero
present.
Pokali, Nirva Panchoti.
Rushabh Gandhi present, ma'am.
Hero Pokali present. Nirva
Pokali
Panchotia, Harry Patel.
Ma'am, can we leave?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Then Rishabh Gandhi.
Ma'am, I am present.
Harry Patel
Yashika.
also present, ma'am. Harry Patel
Divya.
present.
Ma'am, Yashika
Divya
Jain
Harwani.
present. Ma'am, Yashika Jain present.
Ma'am, Rushabh Gandhi
Pepper.
present.
Ma'am, Nishtha Gule present.
Dev Pepper. Dev Pepper.
Ma'am, Yashika present.
Ma'am, present.
Okay. Dev Pepper will be B, right? Khir Sarodia present. Veer Sarwadia. Sora Soni. Dvija Togadia.
Veer Sarwadia
Soumya
present,
Trivedi,
ma'am.
Vidisha. Ashutosh present है. Smith Vaksani.
Ma'am, Swara
Present.
Yashika present.
Kavya Vadera present. Ridisha. Is Ridisha present today?
Akshara Ranbura is present.
Is Ridisha present today? Ridisha.
No, ma'am. Swara Soni
Ma'am,
present.
Yashika present.
Okay. Now, I hope that you people are not having any doubt. Do you have any doubt in English, today's
Ma'am,
English
Yashika
class?
present.
If you are having any doubt, you can ask me.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Bye. Have a good day. Bye-bye. You can leave class.
ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am, sometimes
Bye-bye.
I make coffee for